issue.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. So
Good
today is
afternoon.
a fun session. We will be having some fun. Okay, what fun will we be having? I will say you in some time. You all want to hear my hello song?
Yes.
Yes, very good,
Yes,
very good,
ma'am.
all of
Yes.
you.
Yes.
So see, my all kids are getting up and started dancing also. Very good, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, song.
Yes. So stand up. You all should be on mute. No one to be on unmute. Everyone on mute. Okay. And I am seeing that someone is presenting the screen. Jay, you are not requested to. You are requested not to do so. Don't present your screen.
मैम कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ?
आपका ऐसा आ रहा था जय is presenting. Okay. So we start with our hello song. Okay. Yes. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body, just move your body. Learn and play, learn and play. Hello to your teacher, hello to your teacher. How are you today? How are you today? I'm gonna listen, I'm gonna listen to what you say, to what you say. Shake your head, yes, yes, shake your head. No, no, shake your head, yes, yes, shake your head. No, no, stretch your arms, up, up, bring it down, 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 stretch your arms, up, up, bring it down, 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 just shake it, shake it, shake it. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Awesome. Very good, very good. Kathy Godani, on mute. Kathy Godani, you should be on mute. Okay.
Ma'am, what is
Yes.
today?
Today is our story writing session. So मेरे बड़े बच्चे जो है ना 9+ बच्चे उनको लिखना आता है राइट आर यू ऑल राइट आप लोगों को
Yes.
लिखना आता है राइट यस वेरी गुड
No.
हाँ कौन बोला ये who told me who is 9+ and who doesn't know how to write you all are in grade 4 9+ you
No,
are
ma'am.
grade 4
Ma'am, Danishka raised her hands. No.
Danishka you are not 9+ Danishka Danishka, you are not 9+. Only for the kids 9+. I am going to give a good outline for the story. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ha-
ma'am, I want to say something. Ma'am, my brother is not 9 class, but he wants to write. So can he?
If he can, he should write. Okay? See, writing is a very good habit. I should actually say from grade 3, you should write. You should write your imagination. Take a book, take a random topic every day, write it. Minimum 2 pages, write it. Because the more you write, the more you are grammatically correct. The more you write, the more you are grammatically correct. Why? Why this is so? Because when we write, we are knowing what we are speaking. But when we write, what we do, we go as per the phonic sound of a word. Okay? We break the word, then we join it again. So you can write all the grade 3 students also over here. जिसकी इच्छा है लिखने की वो लोग लिख सकते हैं. Okay, kindly be on mute. Kindly be on mute.
Ma'am, I'm 9. Can I write?
Yes, yes, yes. From grade 3, grade 4, you all are big kids. You can write.
10 years. I'm right.
ओके सो मैं एक आप लोगों को आउटलाइन दूंगी स्टोरी का. आप लोगों को अपने खुद के लैंग्वेज में वो स्टोरी बनानी है और लिखनी है. ओके लिख के आप लोगों को वो स्टोरी पहले तो स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के भेजना ग्रुप पे. सेकंड आप पढ़ के बता सकते हो. जिस किसी का लिख के हो जाएगा वो लोग रेज हैंड करना. वो पढ़ के बता सकता है मुझे. ओके किड्स. यस. सेकंड थिंग टू माय स्मॉल किड्स, I will be showing you two pictures. I will be showing you two pictures. You all are small, so I know you can't write, but you can be clear in your vocals. You can speak. आपको वो पिक्चर देख के जो भी मन में ऐसा सपोज मैंने एक टेडी बेयर दिखाया तो you can start once upon a time there was a cute princess. उसका एक छोटा टेडी था. आपके खुद के लैंग्वेज में आप बता सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हिंदी ही हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो इंग्लिश ही हो. दोनों का मिक्सचर भी हो सकता है. बिकॉज यू आर स्टिल स्मॉल किड्स. कैन सम ऑफ यू, कोई भी आप लोगों में से एक जरा ग्रुप पे मैसेज कर सकता है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी रिक्वेस्ट राइट नाउ सो आई कांट एक्सेप्ट देम इन. Can any one of you write? Ananya, can you write in the mobile? ग्रुप में मैसेज.
हम लोग पेन से लिख सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, आप लोग पेन से, पेंसिल से, किसी से भी लिख सकते हो. आपकी मर्जी. ओके.
Mom, should I message in the group?
यस यू कैन. जो भी कर सकता है प्लीज करके इमीडिएटली. वो जो भी पेरेंट है ना उनको जरा बताएंगे क्या कि मुझे कोई रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आ रही है अभी भेजने के लिए, अभी एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. आई एम सॉरी. ओके. छोटे बच्चों को मैं एक चीज दिखाऊंगी. हाँ, मैं खुद दिखाऊंगी. बड़े बच्चों के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट द स्क्रीन. छोटे बच्चों के लिए मैं खुद दिखाऊंगी. आप लोगों को टाइम भी देती हूँ मैं 10-15 मिनट का. अपने मन में स्टोरी मेमोराइज करो उसके ऊपर and then you can say okay one by one raising your hand. Okay. Are you all clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एक्चुअली आज मैंने किसका क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन किया. मैंने दीपाला अरोड़ा से किया.
चलेगा. No problem. Write your name in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay.
इंग्लिश में बोलना तो हिंदी में कहता टीचर.
हाँ बच्चा.
इंग्लिश में बोलना है या हिंदी में बोलना है?
I told you आपकी कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज में. दोनों का मिक्सचर भी लेके बोल सकते हो. या तो सिर्फ हिंदी में बोल सकते हो या तो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हो. यस. फटाफट आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क योर डाउट्स. वेट. हाँ, वेरी गुड. फटाफट आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क योर डाउट्स. उन्नति पाठक, एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, we need to send the picture of our story to you after the class. Only the picture of the
Yes,
story.
yes, you can send it to me after the class, holding your book and पूरा wide open ताकि मैं read कर पाऊँ. Okay, it should be visible to me very clearly. Okay, and you are going to read it here aloud.
आप स्टोरी ग्रुप पे भेज
Ananya Gulati, any doubt?
यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे.
No, ma'am.
मिस आप ग्रुप पे स्टोरी को भेज सेंड करेंगे कि
नहीं
स्क्रीन?
बेटा, मैं स्क्रीन का डिस्प्ले करूंगी बच्चा.
मिस आप स्क्रीन पे भेजोगे क्या?
हाँ बच्चा, स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले करूंगी. प्रेमा तापड़िया, एनी डाउट? भव्या डिंगरा, एनी डाउट? ओके, सो पहले फॉर माय बिग किड्स
मैम कितने मिनट्स का होना चाहिए स्टोरी?
कितने मिनट्स?
यस मैम।
मिनट्स का स्टोरी नहीं होता ना बच्चा।
मैम कितने पैराग्राफ का स्टोरी होना चाहिए?
इट कैन बी एज पर योर विश, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं चाहिए, छोटा चाहिए। पहले मैं अपने बड़े बच्चों के लिए यहाँ पे ये स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ। ओके, आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग, जस्ट अ सेकेंड।
मैं 9 इयर्स का हूँ।
हाँ, तो यू हैव टू राइट।
मैम मैं 10 इयर्स की हूँ।
जो 9 इयर्स अबाउ है उसे लिखना है, और जो 7-8 साल का बच्चा है उसको लिखने की इच्छा है वो लिख सकता है।
मैम मैं 7 इयर्स की हूँ।
यस
मैम मैं 6 इयर्स की हूँ।
यस, इट्स ओके। कैन यू सी माई स्क्रीन?
Out of the story.
Can you all see the presentation? Yes. This is the outline of the story. You have to make a story from this. Okay? 9 plus kids. For the kids less than 9, I am showing you. Just a second. Give me a minute.
मैम ये क्या है? Excuse me मैम। 12
मैम ये
Excuse me मैम। मैम ये हमें स्टोरी अभी लिखनी है क्या?
Yes, you have to write now. Write now.
Okay.
Yes.
मैम स्टोरी में कॉपी करनी है वाली।
क्या करनी है?
मैम हमें ये वाली स्टोरी कॉपी करनी है।
बेटा ये आउटलाइन है, आपको इसमें से स्टोरी बना के लिखनी है। ये पॉइंट्स है, सिर्फ आपको ये पॉइंट्स में से एक अच्छा स्टोरी बना के लिखना है।
ओके मैम ये अंडर अबव 9 के लिए है ना ये वाली?
क्या है
मैम क्या हम नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं फिर उसको?
हाँ, यू कैन राइट इन योर नोटबुक और द पेपर, कोई भी जो आपको कंफर्टेबल हो, जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल हो। ओके,
ये स्टोरी के ये नहीं समझ में आ रहे आउटलाइंस।
सी आई विल रीड आउटलाइन ऑफ द स्टोरी बाय द टाइम। मैं रीड भी कर रही हूँ और मैं छोटे बच्चों के लिए रेडी भी कर रही हूँ। हाँ, यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले में। ओके, outline of the story is an ant is very and thirsty, walks along the bank of a river, stops to quench its thirst, strong rush of water carries away, drowning the ant, dove on a tree, plucks a leaf, lets it fall, and climbs on the leaf, floats safely to the bank, hangs the dove, a bird caterpillar under the tree, lays lime twigs, makes a trap to catch the dove, and stings his foot. Bird catcher cries in pain, throws the twigs, noise draws dove's attention, dove flies away.
मैम क्या मैम मैंने यहाँ पे पेपर लिया है, चलेगा क्या स्टोरी लिखने के लिए?
बच्चा आप पेपर लो, आप बुक लो, आप ड्राइंग बुक लो, आप कुछ भी लो, आपको लिखना है। ओके, यू कैन टेक ईदर ऑफ एनीथिंग, व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू राइट।
मैम व्हाट इज वेरी मीन?
What is?
I am 8 years old.
What is what?
What can I do? I am 8 years old.
Okay. For my small kid, छोटे बच्चे लोग, आप लोगों को रुचिता मोहता का स्क्रीन दिख रहा है? Okay. For you all, there are two topics. One is dinosaurs, the wildlife. Okay. Second is fruits and vegetables. Okay. Are you all able to see my screen clearly?
Ma'am, can I ask something?
कौन पूछ रहा है ये?
Observe.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm asking that in the story, like we can use is as our words as well or only these words.
क्यों? अभी आपको ये लाइन है, ये आउटलाइन है, आपको स्टोरी बनानी है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई एम स्टॉपिंग टू शेयर. किसी को अंदर आना है,
This is an example.
किसी को मीटिंग में अंदर लेना है. 1 मिनट, 1 मिनट, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, जस्ट अ सेकेंड.
मैम, जो स्टोरी में बीच में आपने ब्लैंक्स छोड़े हुए हैं उसको हमें फिल करना है क्योंकि बाकी स्टोरी तो बनी हुई है.
हाँ, दैट इज द आउटलाइन ऑफ द स्टोरी. यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक्स. और वहां पे क्या क्या वर्ड आएगा उसका, वो पूरा स्टोरी बनी हुई नहीं है बच्चा, उसको आपको अपने ओन वर्ड्स में बनानी है.
तो हम इसे जो आपने आउटलाइन किया आउटलाइन ऑफ द स्टोरी. Grandmother and mother story. Ma'am, can you show the outline of the story?
हाँ, wait. Give me a minute. I am showing. Give me a minute. There is a student who is not able to join. Just give me a minute.
हमें स्टोरी बनानी है, क्या लिखे? मैम, स्टोरी की हेडिंग क्या है? स्टोरी के मैम, that was it. Ma'am, when you shared the screen, it was an example.
Bacha, it was not an example.
So what was it? स्टोरी की हेडिंग क्या देनी है? आउटलाइन ऑफ. मैम, कैन वी राइट? मैम, कैन वी राइट द स्टोरी इन फर्स्ट पर्सन? Ma'am, these are the things that we can use in our story. They are ideas. मैम, स्टोरी को फर्स्ट पर्सन में लिख सकते हैं? मैम, स्टोरी
Yes, kids. What happened?
मैम, मुझे ये स्टोरी समझ में नहीं आई. मैम, कैन वी नेम अ स्टोरी? मैम, हम इस स्टोरी को फर्स्ट पर्सन में लिख सकते हैं?
फर्स्ट पर्सन मतलब, हाँ, yes, you can write as a first person.
लाइक हम डव के व्यू में लिख सकते हैं, जैसे डव बोल रहा है पूरी स्टोरी.
Yes, you can write.
मैम,
एक मिनट, किस किस को नहीं समझ में, एक मिनट, ऐसे मत बोलो बच्चे लोग. किस किस को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? अबाउ 9 years, 9 years तक जिस किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, डू वन थिंग, डोंट ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दिस, ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दिस स्टोरी. ओके, सी हियर, यहाँ पे मेरे स्क्रीन के आगे मैंने वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ डायनासोर्स ये बताया है, और फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. इसमें तो आप लोगों को स्टोरी बनानी आ सकती है ना? टेक योर टाइम, 10-15 मिनट्स लो, सोचो आप लोग, और फिर यू कैन से योर स्टोरी. ओके
मैम, मैं 6 years की हूँ, क्या मैं मेरे को क्या लिखना है या फिर नहीं लिखना?
6 इयर्स को आप या तो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के बारे में बोल सकते हो या तो आप डायनासोर्स के बारे में बोल सकते हो।
ओके मैम।
यस।
मैम वो मैम क्या मुझे स्टोरी लिखनी है या फिर बना के सुनानी है?
Kids, all of you to be muted first. All of you to be muted. All of you to be muted. All of you to be muted first. See, this is a outline of a story. ये स्टोरी अगर आप ध्यान से पढ़ोगे ना, an ant is very ant thirsty, walks along the bank of a river. So you can start your story. Once upon a time, in near the banks of river, there was a tiny ant who was thirsty. ऐसे आप सेंटेंस खुद को बनाना है आप लोगों को।
मीन्स हमें क्या डायनासोर की स्टोरी एंड फ्रूट्स की स्टोरी ये करनी है क्या?
हाँ, या तो आप फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के ऊपर बोल सकते हो या तो आप डायनासोर्स के ऊपर बोल सकते हो।
मैम वो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के ऊपर मुझे कुछ समझा नहीं।
बच्चा, you have to think, scratch your mind and think, what can be a good story of fruits and vegetables? Why do we have to need fruits and vegetables in our daily diet? Why can't we only eat pizzas and burgers? हमें fruits और vegetables क्यों चाहिए? तो कोई एक कैरेक्टर ले लो, सपोज कोई रिया सिया कैरेक्टर ले लो, कोई राजू मोहन कैरेक्टर ले लो और उनके साथ में ये स्टोरी बनाओ। या तो आप खुद की भी स्टोरी बना सकते हो, आप आपकी बहन भाई जो भी है उनका नाम ले लो।
ठीक है, तो चलेगा स्टोरी।
यस।
मैम मुझे स्टोरी लिखनी है या फिर बना के सुनानी है?
छोटे बच्चे लोगों को बोलनी है और बड़े बच्चों को लिखनी है। जो मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है ना, वो स्टोरी आपको लिखनी है, जो यहाँ डिस्प्ले में दिख रहा है ना वो आपको बोलनी है। ओके? यस।
मैम
It is 4:36 now. Wait, listen. It is 4:36 now. 4:45, 4:50 तक का टाइम देती हूँ आप लोगों को डिस्प्ले के लिए भी और स्टोरी लिखने के लिए भी। ओके?
मैम स्टोरी लिखने के लिए 4:50 का टाइम है क्या?
4:55।
4:55।
हाँ।
Ma'am, I can't see the story.
Yes, now you can see.
मैम मैं 7 years की हूँ, मुझे भी लिखना है या फिर एनिमल और डायनासोर के बारे में?
बच्चा आपको लिखने को जमेगा तो आप लिखो, नहीं जमेगा तो टॉपिक है द वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ डायनासोर या तो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स। ओके?
आपने 18 मिनट का टाइम। मैम आपने हमें 18 मिनट का टाइम दिया।
जय, आपसे बात करते रहो, दूसरे लोग मत लिख रहे।
अच्छा ठीक है।
बी ऑन म्यूट। जो भी अनम्यूटेड है बी ऑन म्यूट।
हेलो।
यस।
Do I have to write or do I have to read?
Kaira, what is your age?
6.
I have told very clearly, 9 years के ऊपर के बच्चे लिखेंगे और 9 years के नीचे के बच्चे मुझे स्टोरी बोलेंगे। आपने स्टोरी बना लिया अपने मन में?
मैं फ्रूट्स का स्टोरी बना दी हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है, बनाओ और मुझे बोलना है। ओके?
मैम क्या मैं रिमाइंड करने के लिए लिख सकती हूँ? क्या मैं लिख सकती हूँ?
क्या लिखना है बेटा?
एक स्टोरी अबाउट फ्रूट्स।
Yes, you can write and then you can elaborate us by speaking.
Okay.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what's that written thanks to after thanks to the dove?
A bird catcher under the tree.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम टाइटल भी बनाना है
हाँ बच्चा, टाइटल भी बनाना है।
मैम क्या मैं नेम अपने आप बना सकती हूँ
आपके जो इच्छा में आ रहा है ना बच्चा, वो बना सकते हो। आई हैव जस्ट गिवन द आउटलाइन बच्चा। Arna Oberoi, did you came? Arna Oberoi, are you here?
यस मैम
Yes. There was some technical issue today in the link because I had to just say all of the kids to just go rejoin the meeting again. So I was not getting the request. Okay.
ओके
Arna, what is your age?
माय एज इज 7 years
Okay. So for here you have to see Ruchita Mohta screen. Ruchita Mohta पे उसमें मैंने दो स्टोरीज दिया है, या तो द वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ डायनासोर्स या तो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक अ स्टोरी ऑन योर ओन एंड यू हैव टू से. आपने अभी अभी ज्वाइन किया है तो आई गिव यू टाइम टिल 5 o'clock. मेक द स्टोरी ऑफ योर ओन एंड यू हैव टू से इट टू मी आफ्टरवर्ड्स.
ओके मैम
यस.
मैम आई हैव थिंक्ड द स्टोरी बट आई हैव to think about the character which I am going to present in the stories first time.
ओके, यू कैन.
Okay, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, can I say my story?
हाँ बोलो.
The dinosaur. I like dinosaurs.
एक मिनट, थोड़ा क्लियर, थोड़ा माइक बचा. आद्या, माइक है ना, थोड़ा माइक के पास में आना.
Now can you hear me, ma'am?
हाँ.
Dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs. They are dangerous and they like to eat meat. Some people think of dinosaurs as T-Rex. They live million years back. Some dinosaurs are herbivores and some are carnivores. They are used inside. Oh, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Also send me a screenshot of the story.
Ma'am, even I'm done.
Who told? प्लीज अपना नाम बताओ, किसने बोला इवन आई एम डन?
मैम मैं पुअर के बारे में बोलूंगा, अभी नहीं. मैम उन्नति.
Can you please unmute yourself and say me your story?
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
And please keep your cameras on. Huh? Unnati, you there?
मैम वर्ड लिमिट क्या है?
There is no word limit.
ओके मैम.
मैम मुझे अपनी स्टोरी नरेट करनी है या आपको व्हाट्सएप में भेजनी है?
आपने लिखी है क्या?
यस मैम, आउटलाइन वाली.
Yes. Can you please narrate? Please switch on your camera so that I can see you.
मैम मैं रिजॉइन करती थी कि मेरा कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहा है.
Okay. Yes, Pandan.
What is the meaning of lace lime twigs?
Bird catcher is under the tree. He is laying something. The
And
dove,
what is
dove,
the meaning of lice and twigs?
dove is there, na? Dove. Dove has laid something. Dove is a bird, na? The bird lays the egg, right?
But he came to catch the dove, not the legs. Sorry, eggs, not legs.
Yeah.
मैम अब मैं नरेट कर लूँ?
Yeah.
There was a tiny ant who lived in the forest. The ant was very and thirsty. The ant walked. The ant was walking along the bank of the river while the ant stops and at the river to quench its thirst. The river had a strong rush of water which carries away the ant. The ant is drowning in the water. There was also a dove who lived in the tree. The dove spots the drowning ant and plucks a leaf to help him and lets the leaf fall. The ant climbs on the leaf and reaches safely towards the river bank. There was a bird catcher under the tree. He wanted to capture the dove, so he laid lime twigs beneath the tree. The ant spots it and the ant stings the bird catcher. The bird catcher cries in pain and throws the twigs. The noise of the hunter cries alert the dove and the dove flies away.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I have also
Ma'am,
requested
I'm ready
for
with my story.
Yes. Amira, have you done?
Mom, can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. The title of my story is The Dove and the Ant. Once upon a time, there lived an ant in a forest. One day, when she was walking, she felt very thirsty. She walked along a bank of water and stopped there to quench her thirst. A strong rush of water comes towards the ant and carries her away. The strong rush of water keeps drowning the ant. There was a dove on a tree. The dove plucked the leaf and let it fall. The ant climbed on the leaf and they safely float to the bank. The ant says thank you to the dove. There was a bird catcher under the tree. He laid his flying twig and made a trap for the dove. The ant sinks his foot to save the dove. The bird catcher cries in pain and throws the twigs away. The noise of the bird catcher draws the dove's attention. The dove thanks the ant and flies away.
Very good. Very good,
Ma'am, I
Amar.
am done.
Ma'am, can I say the story? I'm done with it.
Yes, the girl in the name of Hiral Patel.
An ant is very thirsty.
What
and
is the name of your story you have given?
Ma'am, what are you saying?
The name of the story, what you have given the name?
The ant and the dove.
Yes.
An ant is very thirsty and walks along the bank of a river. He stops to quench its thirst. While ant was drinking water, a strong rush of water carries away the ant and drowns him. A dove in the tree sees this and he plucks a leaf and lets it fall. The ant climbs on the leaf and floats back to the bank safely. The thankful ant thanks the dove and walks away. Later that day, a bird catcher under the tree lays lime twigs to capture the dove. While making the trap, ant saw this and got horrified. Ant stings his foot and the bird catcher cries in pain, throwing the twigs away while crying. The noise draws dove's attention and flies away. Thank you.
Very good.
मैम सेम स्टोरी बोलना है क्या दूसरा?
Yes,
Ma'am, I am
Arohi.
also done with my story.
Yes, Arohi. Yes, Arohi.
Title: Friends in Need are Friends Indeed. An ant is weary and thirsty. It walks along the bank of the river and stops to quench its thirst. While drinking water, a strong rush of water carries away the ant. The ant, not knowing how to swim, drowns. It calls for help. A dove sitting on a nearby tree hears the calls and immediately plucks a leaf, drops it near the ant. The soaked ant climbs on the leaf and floats safely to the bank. It thanks the dove and decides to help the dove whenever he needs it. A few days later, a bird catcher was wandering in the forest and lays lime twigs under the tree where the dove lives. He makes a trap to catch the dove. It so happens that the same ant the dove saved the other day walks by. The ant stings its foot. The bird catcher cries in pain and throws the twigs. This loud noise draws the dove's attention and the dove flies away. Thank you.
Very good. Absolutely good. Okay, my small kids, किसी का हुआ है?
Hello, ma'am.
मेरा तो हुआ है।
एक मिनट. हेलो मैम, कौन बोला था बीच में?
कल मेरा हुआ है।
Yes, हर्षिका देगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you say?
Hello everyone, my name is Harshika. Today I am going to tell you importance of fruits and vegetables in our daily life. Healthy food plays a very important role in our lives. Fruit and vegetables help in development of our body and keeps us strong. They boost our immunity to fight against viruses and disease. Citrus fruits like orange and kiwi have vitamin C which helps in fighting viruses in infections and disease. We should also eat green
Kavya, be
leafy
on
vegetables
mute.
as they are rich in proteins, minerals, and iron. Thank you.
Very good, very good.
मैं माधविका ऋषिकेश लोहिया
Ma'am, can I
Yes. Wait. The girl in the name of Rashmi Bihani आपका हुआ है क्या?
मैम कैन आई
Yes. Can you say the girl in the name of Rashmi Bihani?
माधविका लोहिया
Yes, Anshika.
आद्विका
Yes, Advika. Say.
एक दिन दो फ्रेंड्स थे एक का नाम था टॉम दूसरा का नाम था सैम टॉम जंक फूड खाने लगा फिर ना पिज्जा बर्गर पास्ता चिप्स नूडल्स और सैम बहुत हेल्दी फूड खाने लगा एप्पल कीवी और हेल्दी फ्रूट्स कैरट टमाटर और फिर
I am not able to hear you clearly. आप थोड़ा माइक के पास आके बोलो बच्चा.
My name is Advika Shikesh Loya. आज मैं एक टॉम की स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी और जेली की स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी फिर ना एक दिन टू फ्रेंड्स थे फिर ना एक का नाम था टॉम और दूसरा का नाम था सैम फिर ना एक टॉम ना मुझे जंक फूड खाने लगा फिर ना और सैम हेल्दी फूड खाने लगा टॉम मोटू हो गया वो बहुत जंक फूड खाने लगा फिर ना जैसे कि पिज्जा बर्गर चिप्स पास्ता एंड नूडल्स फिर ना डॉक्टर आए उसके पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा था फिर ना टॉम को कुछ नहीं हुआ टॉम को डॉक्टर ने एडमिट किया फिर टॉम को मिलने गया फिर ना सैम बोला कि तू रोज रोज जंक फूड खाता था मेरे को देख ऐसे हेल्दी फूड खाना फिर ना टॉम भी हेल्दी फूड खाने लगा फिर वो भी हेल्दी हो गया फिर ना दोनों जन खेलने लगे थैंक यू बाय
Very good, very good. Yes,
Ma'am, can
Kavya.
Kavya say?
Kavya.
मुझे मैं बोलूं
ओके मैम
Kavya. काव्या के बाद ना Danishka you say, okay? Kavya start, everyone else to be muted please.
Ma'am, Danishka के बाद can I say?
Yes, Ananya wait.
Hello. हाँ, सुनिए, पहले ना एक पेपा की पूरी फैमिली एक जंगल गई, फिर वहाँ पर ना डॉट को थोड़े थोड़े ना 3 डायनासोर मिले खिलौने वाले, और फिर डैडी डॉग का बर्थडे था, मतलब वो ना पेपा का एक फ्रेंड है, उसका बर्थडे था, और फिर वो लोग एक जंगल में गए डायनासोर देखने। तो वो एक साइड वाला डायनासोर मिला, और फिर जॉर्ज भी चढ़ा था, तो उसने जॉर्ज गेम किया, और फिर डायनासोर ने उसकी हेल्प की उठने में, और फिर उधर की फ्रेंडशिप हो गई, और फिर उसका अपने घर है, जॉर्ज उसको अपने घर लेकर आए, और दोनों साथ में रह के इससे ये सीख मिलती है कि हमेशा हमको दूसरों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Very good, very good. Yes, wait. Now Danishka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Danishka you will say. Everyone else to be on mute. I can see. Wait. प्रेमा तापड़िया, आपका क्या बच्चे, आपका क्या नाम है? नेतल प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. Everyone else to be on mute. Yes, Danishka, बोलो.
Title of the poem is Food and Vegetable. एक दिन एक फैमिली थी, उनमें 4 जन थे, मम्मी पापा चिंटू मिंटू। चिंटू मिंटू हमने बाहर का खाना खाते थे, बर्गर पिज़्ज़ा फ्रेंच फ्राई, वेजिटेबल नहीं खाते थे। इतनी मम्मी ने कहा वेजिटेबल खाना चाहिए, उसकी हमारी आज अच्छी होगी और तन्ना नहीं लगेगा अच्छी। किन्नू माना, मिंटू नहीं माना। मिंटू की आई खराब हो गई, फिर मिंटू टूट गया, तो उसकी टीचर ने बोला बेड दो दिखा, फिर किंतु तो तू दिखाई नहीं दिया, फिर वो रोते रोते घर चला दिया हमने घर। फिर उसकी मम्मी ने बोला अगर आप वेजिटेबल नहीं खाओगे तो आपका आई की खराब हो जाएगा और तम्मा दे देगा, इसके वेजिटेबल तो खाना चाहिए, हेल्दी होता है। फिर फूड और खाना चाहिए, फूड खाने से क्लीन होता है। इससे थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड. तो
Ma'am, now can I share
आपको भी फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल खाना है. वेट, जिस किसी का भी हो गया है, कैन यू प्लीज रेज हैंड आइकन? क्या आप रेज हैंड कर सकते हो और म्यूट पे रह सकते हैं? Yes, very good. All are my good kids. So Danishka, you got a lesson. You need to eat fruits and vegetables, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes. पापा दो साथियों बिल्डिंग.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Natali Daga.
Ma'am, can I say?
अनन्या, ये नताली के बाद आप बोलोगे. नताली, आर यू रेडी और शुड आई लेट अदर पर्सन से? Ananya, you can say. Ananya.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I still remember it as if it were yesterday, the day I understood the real meaning of humanity. Since an early age, I have been taught about karma, and my teachers summoned me that what you do to others will come back to you. But trust me, after being
being instructed this a million times. I opposed everyone. I created logics of my own, which will seem illogical after reading this story. Do you know? I believe that our fate was written already in a book by God. Our life was like a movie, and God was the director. But two little creatures changed my life forever. It was a Sunday morning. I had I had a- I had entire I had had an tiring week, so I was lazing around the river when suddenly my eyes came upon a drowsy and a parched ant. I tried to help it with some water, but unfortunately I made a mistake. You see, I was very careless. While feeding the water and the ant while feeding the water to the ant fell in the wa- in the river. The water was engulfing her body now, and she was crying for help. My mind could not think of what to do, and that's when I suddenly caught sight of the majestic dove. It threw a soft green leaf, and then the ant climbed to it. Then it delightfully thanked the dove and went off its way. Next Sunday, when I went to the river again, I saw the dove petrified. But at, when I looked below the tree, I realized what was happening. A hunter was there to catch the exquisite bird. Again, my mind started to think of a plan. But before I could do anything, the ant came and gave the hunter a sting. Ah, ah, the hunter shouted painstakingly. And then the hunter ran away. Not a sight of him was seen again to the river. That is when I realized the true meaning of humanity and karma.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I
Absolutely
say
very good.
Radhika? Ma'am, can I say Netal? Ma'am,
Radhika,
can I say Anaya?
Radhika,
Ma'am, can I
wait.
say
अरे
yes, ma'am?
आप लोग ऐसे करोगे बच्चा लोग तो मैं कैसे सुनूंगी किसी का? राधिका, मैं यहाँ पे रेज हैंड आइकन देख
Yes,
रही हूँ,
ma'am.
मैं सबको पूछूंगी. यू कैन स्टार्ट.
Hello, friends. My name is Radhika Kataria. I am 8 years old. My story's topic is Mango, the King of Fruits. Once there was a mango, grapes, and banana. As we all know, mango is the king of fruits. So other fruits were jealous of him. So there was a competition in between the fruits that whoever wins will be declared as the king of fruits. There was a competition between grapes and mango. As while running, some of the grapes fell down and grapes started collecting it. But instead of running ahead, Mango helped Grape in collecting his grapes, and both of them reached the finish line at the same time. Banana and other fruits present over there were pleased to see this and announced Mango as the king of fruits. Thank you. Ma'am, can I say
Very good.
Anaya?
Very good. Wait. Yes, the boy in the name of Vanita Maheshwari. Parv Maheshwari, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please say your story.
Rabbit and the rabbit. Rabbit. एक दिन एक एक दिन एक रैबिट था उसने उसने गार्डन में कैरेट्स लगाए. वो एक कैरेट लेता खाता, रोज एक कैरेट लेता खाता. ऐसे खाते खाते वो कैरेट तो फिनिश हो गए. अभी वो क्या करेगा? फिर उसने एक आइडिया लगाई. उसके फ्रेंड के गार्डन से एक कैरेट चुरा के खा लिया। पर उसको लगा कि मैंने एक गलत बात की, तो रैबिट को बुरा लगा। पर फिर वो उसके भाई के उसके फ्रेंड के पास गया और बोला सॉरी। उसने पूछा क्या हुआ, वो बोला
Ma'am, can I read after Richard
मैंने पूछे मैंने
and Richard?
आपकी फिर वो बोला इट्स ओके। आपको कभी भी चाहिए मुझसे पूछ के लो। थैंक यू। मॉरल क्या निकला, बिना पूछे किसी की चीज को हाथ नहीं लगाना।
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can I
Son.
see?
Teacher,
Yes, a girl in the name of Bhavya Dingra, you can say.
Okay, ma'am. Once upon a time, a girl, she likes to eat junk food like sandwiches and burgers and pizzas. One day, she is eating the junk food, and she became sick, and then she came to the doctor. Doctor gave him a big injection, and then doctor said, you have to eat some vegetables and fruit for being healthy and strong. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Very good.
ma'am, my
Avyo,
brother's class is
Avyo?
started. Class is
Avyo?
about to start.
yes मैम अब मैं बोलूं।
wait, wait. Why you all? जो भी unmute करके बोलेगा मैं बोलूंगी, मैं उनको chance नहीं दूंगी. Avyo?
Yes ma'am।
Yes, please say your story.
That animal and the fruit are the main characters. So let's begin. Dinosaur and the funny apple and the boy. Once upon a time, there lived an apple in a house named Fummy Apple. He loved to play with his best friend Tiny Dinosaur. He was 6 years old. He loved playing as well. They were playing. They played hide and seek. But one day, the fruit was angry at the dinosaur. He said, "Eat me." Then the dinosaur ate him, and then the dinosaur got a little brain. Once a boy, once a boy hero came. He said, "Eat fruits and vegetables. We will be healthy and we will never be sick." Thank you guys. And the moral of this story is eat vegetable and fruits. Don't eat unhealthy things.
Very good, Avyo. Yes, Pandan.
Hi ma'am, thank you ma'am. My class
story.
started.
Yes, Pandan.
Ma'am, can I leave my class?
On a hot day,
Yes, Avyo, you can leave. Pandan, start your story.
on a hot day, an ant was very thirsty. She was walking near the river while trying to drink water, and a strong rush of water came and she fell into the river. There was a dove sitting on a branch of a tree near the river. She saw an ant falling into the river. The dove plucked a leaf and wings away. The dog noticed it and quickly flew away. Moral: if you do good to if you do good, good will come to you. Done.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Natali. 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 Natali, are you there? सुषमा गुप्ता के नाम से कौन है? Have you done?
Sanvi is there in the name of
Yes.
Sushma Gupta.
Yes, Tanvi.
हाँ, बोलो good afternoon मैम. अच्छे से बोलो. मैं स्टोरी बताने जा रही हूँ. बोलो. बोलो जल्दी से. बोलो.
Please switch on your camera. Yes, yes.
हाँ.
It is on.
हाँ. बोलो हेलो मैम. मैं स्टोरी बोलने जा रही हूँ.
Hello, ma'am. मैंने said.
स्टोरी बोलने जा रही हूँ. जल्दी बोलो. मैं स्टोरी बोलने जा रही हूँ. बोलो. बोलो. फिर मैम चॉकलेट देगी. बोलो. एक जंगल में और एक ट्रेन में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जा रहा था. बोलो.
एक ट्रेन में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जा रहा था.
एनिमल्स फ्रूट के फॉरेस्ट में पहुंचा.
एनिमल्स फ्रूट के फॉरेस्ट में जा रहा था.
तो और जंक फूड भी था वहाँ पे.
जंक फूड बेचा वहाँ पर.
तो सारे एनिमल्स बोले. बोलो लाउडली. सारे एनिमल्स बोले.
हाँ, एनिमल्स ने बोला
हम
वो ना
जंक फूड खाना चाहिए.
जंक फूड खाना चाहिए. फिर वो एलिफेंट बोला जंक फूड में जाना चाहिए. सिर्फ ना वो फ्रूट्स खाना चाहिए.
फ्रूट्स हेल्दी होता है.
हाँ, हेल्दी भी खाते, फ्रूट भी खाते, लेकिन वो नहीं खाते.
जंक फूड.
जंक फ्रूट नहीं खाते.
इसलिए फ्रूट्स खाने से हेल्दी बनते हैं.
फ्रूट्स खाने से हेल्दी बनते हैं.
हम लोग को डेली फ्रूट्स खाना चाहिए.
हम लोग को डेली फ्रूट्स खाना चाहिए.
फ्रूट खाने से हेल्दी और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं.
हेल्दी और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं. लेकिन मैं सैड
थैंक यू
हो
मैम.
जाती हूँ.
थैंक यू मैम. बोलो.
लेकिन सैड हो जाती है.
नहीं.
थैंक यू. मैं बोलूँ.
Very good. Yes. अरे नताली, आपको 3-4 बार बुलाया, आप आते ही नहीं हो. बोलो फटाफट बोलो नताली.
मैम मेरा नाम नताली नहीं है, नेतन है.
ओके नेतन, बोलो.
एक दिन बहुत सारे डायनासोर्स थे. तो वो डायनासोर्स एक दिन उन डायनासोर्स का मन हुआ कि हम लोग हाइड एंड सीक खेलते. एक डायनासोर ने बोला कि हम लोग आज हाइड एंड सीक खेलेंगे. तो सारे डायनासोर हाइड एंड सीक खेलने चले गए. तो फिर सारे डायनासोर इतने दूर चले गए, लेक के बहुत ज्यादा दूर चले गए. तो फिर उनके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा डायनासोर आ गया. उन्हें वो जो बड़ा सा जो डायनासोर था वो उन्हें खाना चाहता था. तो फिर इसलिए बहुत ज्यादा रात हो गई थी. तो फिर वो बड़े डायनासोर को तैरना नहीं आता था. और जो सारे डायनासोर थे वो 3 डायनासोर को तैरना आता था. तो फिर वो सारे डायनासोर लेक में चले गए. वो सारे डायनासोर लेक में छुप गए. और वो बड़ा डायनासोर उन सारे डायनासोर को ढूंढते ही रहा. तो फिर इसी तरह से वो एक जो बड़ा डायनासोर था और बाकी 3 डायनासोर्स की फ्रेंडशिप हो गई. थैंक यू.
Very good नेतन, very good. Yes. Lavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please
Title:
say.
The Ant and the Dove. Once upon a time, there lived an ant who was very thirsty. One day, he walked along the bank of river. He stops to quench its thirst. The strong rush of water carries away, drowning the ant and dove on the tree. The ant plucks a leaf from the tree so hardly that the leaf falls quickly, and the ant climbs on the leaf and floats safely to the river bank. Ant also said thanks to the dove. A bird catcher was laying lime twigs under a tree. He makes a trap for catching the dove, but the ant stings the bird catcher's foot. He cried in pain and threw the twigs. The noise draws dove's attention and the dove flies away. Moral: we should help everyone.
Very good, Lavi. Kaira, Kaira Badale.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Kaira Badale.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका हो गया ना बोल के?
नहीं.
Okay, please say your story.
बोलूं? मेरे पास 3 स्टोरीज है. क्या बोलूं?
कायरा आपका ही टर्न है, आपको ही बोलना है कायरा.
मैं ग्रेप्स का स्टोरी बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ चलेगा.
The selfish grapes. Once upon a time in a small village there were 4 friends and they lived in a small village. They also had one friend called Grapes, and the other friend's name was Banana, or Banana, Orange, and Banana, Orange, and Banana, Orange, Grapes. The grapes were also added. There were 3. Since there were 3 because one friend left. The day at the night, soon as it became night, at the day of the night, the grapes became weak. And since the grapes became weak, he also went somewhere where there was junk food. They made her a junk food. Since they left their friend, and then the grapes said, "I'm the sweetest. I don't want to join your team." Then they all planned. The grapes was weaker, so then the other friends said that I don't want to join the team also with the grapes. But she became more weak, the grapes. And when she became more weak, said that I want to join your team. Then the junk food said okay. The junk food's name was pizza, pasta, and also some French fries. They said that okay, you can join. There's so much. Our food is so healthy than fruits, but they were not healthy. Soon, then Banana said, "Don't join their team." Still, the grapes joined. Then, once she eat one bite of the junk food, then she became a junk food. Then the friends went back to their house. Then the other fruits were waiting. The name of fruits was, and they were also vegetables. There was orange and orange carrot and blueberry and strawberry. These many were waiting at home. At home, the other fruits came and said that our friend has become the junk food. We will not go there. Then one day, the fruit came running, but the grapes came running, but she was a food. And when she ran to the door, she knocked, and then their friends opened the door and said, "Why did you eat the junk food? We must be healthy." After they ate after they ate fruit, they also said that please try one fruit. She said, "No, I like junk food." Then she realized what she had done. She became the junk food. She said sorry, but still the days passed and she was still a junk food because she lied about her promise. The end. Never lie and don't eat junk food.
Very good, Saida. Yes, Prabhat Sarda, the one in the name of Prabhat Sarda.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say मैंने भी हैंड रेस करा हुआ है?
मेरे को हैंड रेस करने के बाद कोई बच्चा भी पूछा ना कहना इसे तो उसका चांस नहीं लूंगी मैंने हैंड रेस किया हुआ देख रही हूँ मैं और फिर मैं चांस के लिए बुला रही हूँ. यस, प्रभात सारडा. Will you be on mute? Okay. Vaishali Pai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you say your story?
Yes. Fruits are good.
Ma'am, my connection was lost.
Prabhat Sarda, kindly wait. Now the other kid is saying. After that, I will take your turn, and from your background, the voice is coming. Kindly sit on a quiet place for whenever you are saying to me the story, okay? Yes, Vaishali Pai, kindly start.
Fruits are good for your health. And are good for health. And vitamins also there. Fruits are like some. Thank you, miss.
Are you done? I am not able to hear you actually.
Okay, miss. Fruits are good for your health. Fruits are good.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes. Teacher Tanishka also wants to say. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 chiku. Fruit salad. Apple, guava. Banana, 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 banana. Fruit salad. Chiku, 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 chiku. Fruit salad. Thank you, teacher.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Okay. Arna Oberoi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please say your story.
Okay. My story is about a crow and an eagle. There lived a crow.
Arna, I don't have to listen to any other story. I have to listen the story about either fruits and vegetables or the dinosaurs, wildlife.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I made the setup ready for you. Okay, you can be ready. I will ask you afterwards. Richa Motwani,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Can you please say?
Yes. Once upon a time, there was a bowl of fruits. In the bowl, there were apple, mango, watermelon, and grapes. They were talking to each other. The apple said, "If a person eats me, they become away from doctors." Then the mango said that I am the king of fruits. I am a juicy fruit. Everyone likes to eat me. Then the watermelon says, I am also a juicy fruit which is full of water. Children love to eat me. The grapes say, I am a small juicy fruit. Kids love to eat me. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Okay, now Prajakta Ghag, Ishan Ghag, Ishan.
Ma'am, I have a dinosaur story.
Arna, wait. I will come back to you, Arna. Wait.
And the lion and the mouse. Once upon
You don't have to say the story of the lion and the mouse or any other story. Today's topic was the wildlife of dinosaurs or the fruits and vegetables. You have to make your own story and you have to narrate it. Okay? If you don't have done so, be kindly be waited. I will give you a chance in some time. You
okay.
can think of some story. Yes. Prabhat Sarda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly tell me a story.
In a jungle, there were many fruits, many dinosaurs eated it. But the the dinosaurs which didn't eat the vegetables and fruits, they they, they ate the meat of other dinosaurs. Because of it, the dinosaurs of which, which were vegetarian became lesser, but they would fight with the others also. Many of them died, but one of the dinosaurs never fought them. Because of it, the more they died. So the fruits and when all the dinosaurs were hit by the meteor, all died. But the fruits were there.
Okay. Very good. Yes, Jay. Jai Mantri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say me your story.
The Greedy Friends. Once upon a time, there lived three friends in a village. They were poor. They decided to go city to earn money. When they were walking through
Jai, which story is this? कौन सा स्टोरी है ये?
the forest, they
मैंने
found
ये तो नहीं दिखाया था
a
जय
value
आपको.
of money. They decided
Jai, which story is this? I didn't make you see this story. जो मैंने स्टोरी दिखाया था वही करना था ना आपको. आपने दूसरा क्यों किया? ओके. आरना ओब्रॉय. Arna Oberoi,
Ma'am, can I?
you didn't raise hand, bacha. Yes, yes, you can.
Ma'am, I don't have the option of raise hand, so that's why.
Okay, okay, you can. Okay, और जिस किसी का भी बाकी है kindly raise hand करके रखो बच्चा लोग. Wait. Yes, start.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi Arur and today I am going to tell the story about the ant and the dove. Once there is an ant. An ant is weary and thirsty. She walks slowly along the bank of a river. It stops near the quench. It's a river. It stops near the thirsty due to the strong rush of water. The ant carries away with the water. The ant is drawing in the water. There is a dove on a tree. The dove watches and is in trouble. The dove quickly plucks a leaf and drops it into the water. The ant catches the leaf and climbs on the leaf. The ant floats safely to the bank and thanks the dove. The ant saw a hunter under the tree. He makes a trap to catch the dove. The ant quickly stings his foot. The hunter, feeling the pain, he throws the twigs. The noise dove attention and dove flies away. Moral of the story: you do good, have good. Thank you.
Very good. Absolutely nice. Yes, Shefali Satam, you are remaining?
Yes,
Yes, say please.
my story's title name is The Ant and the Dove. Once upon a time lived a tiny ant. The ant is very thirsty. The ant walks along the bank of river. The ant stops to quench its thirst. A strong rush of water. The ant got carried away. The, the ant drowned. A dove on a tree plucks a leaf. The dove lets it fall. The ant floats safely to the climbs and floats safely to the bank and said thank you to the dove. The next day, a bird catcher under the tree, the bird catcher makes a trap to catch the dove. The same ant, the last day, from the last day, the ant bit the bird catcher, cries in pain. The bird catcher throws the twig on the ground.
The noise drowns the dove's attention, and the dove flies away. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, आरना ओब्रॉय आपके
Miss,
पास
can I
स्टोरी है
leave?
क्या?
Miss, can I leave?
Yes, you can leave. आरना ओब्रॉय कोई स्टोरी है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you say as per my display?
Yes. There was a sad dinosaur. He did not have any friends. Every day, the dinosaur sat on the grass. He saw a dog and a duck were playing with the ball. The duck rolled the ball, went far away until it came to the dino. The dino went and gave them the ball back. The dog and the duck thanked the dinosaur. They played together every day. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Who is in the name of Dr. Shweta Rathi?
Astha Rathi, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Yes, ma'am.
Your camera
On a
isn't
hot-
working. Switch on your camera, bacha. Yes, very good.
On a hot day of summer, an ant was very weird and thirsty. She was searching for drinking water. After moving forward, she was very happy because she sees a bank of river. Then she walks along the bank of river. First stop to quench its thirst, she started to drink water. But that time she slipped from bank and fell in river. In the river, there was a strong rush of water, and the ant was drowned. There was a dog sitting on a branch of a tree, who saw an ant falling into the river. Quickly the dog plucked a leaf and dropped it near an ant for saving her. As ant climbed on leaf, she floats along water and safely reached the bank. She looked at tree and thanked that dog. On next day, the ant again come there at the bank of river. She saw that a bird catcher come near that tree and made a trap to catch the dove. As ant saw the bird catcher and thought to save the dove too, she quickly beat on the foot of it. Then bird catcher shouted loudly due to feeling pain. The net was thrown down, and because of noise, dove was flies away. And then they both being friends forever.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
स्टोरी याद किया जो मैंने टॉपिक दिया था बच्चा? It's okay. Say me afterwards. Okay. Say me afterwards. It's okay. Okay. Did you all enjoy this session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we'll leave for today. Bye for now. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
मैम अभी